Hey everyone, we have got some important updates about FrostHacks Season 1. But before we get into the details, you might be wondering why there is a change in dates and the folio and what does it mean for FrostHacks? Well, FrostHacks has been postponed to January 10th to 12th, 2025. This decision was made because of the unavailability of police clearance during the Pujas in November and semester exams in December. We know you are excited about FrostHacks and you might be asking, will anything else change? Well, the answer is no. Everything else stays the same, and the organizers are planning some workshops and events to keep the momentum going until the hackathon. So, how can you help? Well, you can spread the word and make sure everyone knows about the new dates. Keep an eye on our socials for official announcements after the Puja vacations, and we will keep you updated with all the details. In the meantime, enjoy the workshops and we will see you at FrostHacks in January 2025. Let's get ready for an incredible FrostHacks experience, spread the word and keep the momentum going. Stay curious, stay creative and we will see you soon.